What's up, everybody? It's an early morning, about 5:45 a.m. About to head over to R's Day, R's meeting, whatever you want to call it. Should be cool. A lot of fun stuff planned for today. So looking forward to getting to the track at Fuji Speedway. Getting to my car right now. Looking good, sitting here all night. But anyways, yeah, gotta get all packed up and get rolling because it is going to be a good GTR day. So many Skylines on the road, GTRs, more GTRs. Super cool to see them all on the road, rolling to Fuji Speedway. R33s, R32s, R34s, R35s, all tech R33. Man, that's cool. A little rainy though. Weather's supposed to clear up though. Some more Skylines. Some R34 GTR. Oh, look at the rain letting up a little bit. R34 GTR Sonic Silver. You got another 35 right over here. 34, 34, 34s. Everywhere. 32's coming up. 32, there's 34 right here, but 32 over there. Yeah, it's cool, man. There's so many GTRs. Another 34. 35 right ahead. It's just so cool driving on the highway and all you see is just GTR after GTR after GTR, 34s, 33s, 32s, 35s, everything. They're all on the highway just driving. Ultra cool. Just rolling. This black GTR is sick. I like it. Black on black on black. LMGT 4 wheels, I would suppose. Thing's cool. Skyline after skyline after skyline. So cool. 32. There was the Cusco that came through. Yeah, everybody. 33.
No, just over.
Far over there? Okay. Look at these. Oh, right next to the 32? Alright. I'll pull up right in front of them. Man, there's so many sick cars just coming here. Just got to Fuji Speedway, and man, I'm super excited and pumped, man. There is GTRs after GTRs after GTRs rolling in. That's mine right there, of course. From 32s through 35s, there's everything you could ever want here. And they're like on the road just rolling, as you saw in the other shots. So many Skylines, so many everything just rolling here. Like the most I've ever seen all in one place, at least on the road. I've seen some on the road here and there, but man, this is sick. And these things sound so amazing. I mean, golly. The weather's good here now, no rain, so it's gonna be nice and clear. Holy moly. This is GTR heaven here. Crazy. We got some cool stuff planned for today. I am super pumped. It's gonna be a very exciting day. Weather is nice and cool. Even Mount Fuji has some snow on it now. When I say nice and cool, it's kind of chilly outside. It's not freezing, and thank God it's not super windy. If it was windy, I'd be frozen, but it's all good. I'm gonna be happy today. Super crazy. There's so many Skylines here at R's Day. I got mine right there, but you can see like R34s, R34s, R33s, R32s are all rolling in right now. Like even on my drive here, like for an hour and a half, just Skyline after Skyline after Skyline. Beautiful, beautiful cars just rolling here. It's like a dream come true over here right now. right here for R's Day. So ready to go inside. It's gonna be good. All right, so I'm pulling into garage number 10 here at Fuji Speedway because we got some cool stuff coming up. This is so exciting. R's Day, and I get to pull up in a garage right here. Okay, thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. So just rolled into the garage right here, getting set for a pretty fun day here at R's Day. So cool. Super sick. So right now we're in the garage here, garage 10 at Fuji Speedway. Got some really sick cars in here. R's Day is here. We're actually gonna do some on-track action here at R's Day, and the famous DK Drift King is gonna be driving these vehicles right behind me, including my own R34 GT-R. He's gonna be driving it at Fuji Speedway, which is super cool, super awesome. I'm super pumped for it. He's gonna be driving my car on track, like Drift King, like Keiichi. Like he's gonna be driving my own car, and he's gonna be driving these sick cars. Right behind me is like an R50 GTR, and we got some R32 GTRs and some other stuff. But it's gonna be sick. I'm pumped. This is absolutely a dream come true to have a legend drive my car here at Fuji Speedway. DK is in the building. Mr. DK is in the building. So he's gonna be driving all these beautiful GTRs, including mine right here. So, and this R50 GTR right there. He's gonna be driving all of it. So super pumped. I'm gonna be in mine when he's driving mine. So I'll get a ride in my car around the track. And Keiichi's just sitting in the R50 right now. Just getting some photo shoot stuff done. Kind of cool. Right now they're getting my car set up because we're gonna do this on-track excursion. So it'll be cool. So they're throwing their cameras on. I already got my camera in there that I need, but he's just throwing on his own GoPro on there to use. That's cool. Keiichi's gonna be driving both of these cars and some 32s as well here at Fuji Speedway. Man, this is awesome. When the Minds CEO meets Keiichi DK Drift King meets R50 GTR meets my R34 GTR all in one place. This is pretty epic. Pretty epic. When the Minds CEO is taking pictures of your car and the R50. Drift King is getting suited up right now to hop in the R50 and do some laps. Super cool. And then after that, he'll be hopping in mine. All right, so I got my helmet on. I'm just waiting right now. Keiichi is driving the R50 right now on track. Once he comes back in, we're gonna hop in my R34 GTR and go on track. He's gonna do a couple last 2 or 3 or so, and it's gonna be pretty cool. I'll be riding shotgun with him. And it's just a cool blessing to be able to have the opportunity to do that. So I'm super excited for this. It's about to be fun. This is so cool. Driving my R34 GT-R. This is cool. Very cool.
Yeah. with.
Yeah.
Hug with.
Yeah. Woo. Oh yeah. He's drifting like 34. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. That was so much fun. Oh, he's drifting by 34. Wow. This is awesome. Wow. Great. This is great. This is awesome. Hard braking.
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow. This is great. Yeah.
Yep. Nice car.
Thank you, thank you. Yes, this is a very nice car. Thank you.
Yeah, very nice car.
Thank you. That was awesome. Thank you so much.
Very good car.
Very good car. Thank you. Thank you. That's a huge compliment. My R34 is a very good car.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So DK giving his impressions after a very nice drive in my R34 GT-R. Man, that was awesome. And right when we got done and stuff, DK signs right there. Keiichi signs right there, and then the Mine CEO signs right there on my thing. This is crazy. This is awesome. I don't know why I didn't think about that before, but man, that was awesome. That was incredible. DK drifting my R34 GT-R around Fuji Speedway, running it hard, going crazy, and then he signs my strut tower brace, my titanium one. I mean, this is sick. This is sick. Oh my God, what a day. This is morning. We're not even at, it's not 10 a.m. yet. I haven't even gone inside R's day yet. Man, it was an absolutely incredible day today. So much going on. I actually broke it down into 2 different videos. This first video was about DK driving my R34 GTR on track with me sitting as passenger, which was super cool. Like, what a dream come true. The DK, the Drift King, super famous Japanese race car driver, to jump into my R34 GTR, drive it around Fuji Speedway with me riding as passenger. And he didn't just take it easy, he was literally drifting around corners. I didn't even know you could drift this car around corners, and he was doing it. Now, obviously the track was a little bit wet from some rain this morning, but still, like, he was sending it around corners, sliding around. Like, that was super incredible. But here at Fuji Speedway, it was an incredible day for R's Day. Loved it. Went around, saw a lot of great cars, and that's what's going to happen in this next video that you're going to see coming up, which is going to be all the show cars that were here. And not only show cars, there were go cars too. So that's going to be in the next video. You'll see it. But man, what a cool experience to be here at R's Day. My first one, R's Day 2023. Can't wait to come back again next year. Obviously, I'm going to need another GTR to come to the next one because mine will be in the States by then. So I'll figure out something. Who knows? Maybe like an R35 or something like that. But anyways, super fun day, super incredible. Thanks for tuning in. It was really fun. And yeah, that's it.